Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I am going to create this brown smoky eye look, or you can also call it as chocolicious makeup look, because I have used different shades of brown hair. So this look is very simple and you can wear it at any time of the day. So let's get started now. So firstly, I'm using this Prep Me Up primer by Nykaa to prime my face. So I'm applying it only at the places where I have large pores. Now I'm using this foundation from Milani, and it's the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm applying it with my fingers and I'll be blending it with the help of a brush. After my foundation is done, I'll be proceeding with applying concealer on the areas where I have blemishes, dark spots or pigmentation. So I'm applying it around my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth, below my cheeks and in between my eyebrows on my forehead. Now I'll be using this brush to blend it nicely. Now I'm using this beauty blender so that there are no marks of the brushes and everything blends in nicely. Now for setting my face, I'm using this compact from Wet n Wild. As a next step, I'm using this banana powder which is from Wet n Wild. So I'll be like kind of baking under my eyes so that there are no crease lines. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the powder into my skin so that it absorbs in and there are no lines. And I'll be applying it on the places that I want to highlight. So that would be below my cheeks. Now I'm taking that contour shade from the same palette and I'll be contouring the sides of my cheeks. So I think this is a really perfect palette because you have got the banana powder, the highlighting powder and the bronzing powder as well, and it's very much affordable. So all the links for the product that I've used are in the description box below, so you can check them out. And now for highlighting, I'm using this highlighter from Maybelline and it's the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. So I'm highlighting the usual places, usual high points of my face. That is my cheekbone, my nose, forehead, my cupid's bow and my chin. Now I'm using this blush from Miss Claire and I'm applying it on my cheeks. So you have to smile and apply the blush. Now for setting everything in place, I'm using this facial mist from L'Oreal. So my makeup won't look cakey and everything will look flawless. So I am blending it now with the beauty blender. And it really gives a dewy look to your face. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm using this matte eyeshadow palette from E.L.F and taking that brownish shade on my fluffy blending brush from Color Bar. And I'm moving the brush in circular motions and you have to apply the shade above your crease line. So you have to work well with the blending, else your eye makeup won't look good at all. So the same thing I'm doing on other eye. Now I'm taking the darker shade of brown with a different brush and I'm applying it just below my crease line. So again, you have to blend it very nicely and you have to merge both of the colors so that there are no harsh edges and the transition looks seamless. And same thing I'm repeating on the other eye. Now from this Makeup Revolution palette, I'm taking that darkest shade of brown. So I'm applying it all over my eyelid now. So again, you have to blend all the colors really very well. And if you want, you can use your fingers as well. Repeating the same thing on the other eye and blending it nicely. And I've again picked some more of the product and I'm again applying it on my eyelids to like intensify that brown shade more. So it's not necessary that you have to use this palette only. You can use any other palette which has different shades of brown. So now I'm taking those two shades again. I am applying it below my waterline now. Moving on to the eyebrows now. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Colourpop to work on my eyebrows. So I'm filling the gaps that my brow hairs have and then I'll be brushing it all with a spoolie so that the product spreads evenly. Now I'm using this Nykaa's I Am Bold Kajal to apply it on my waterline. Now using this eyelash curler from Vega to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. It's the Lash Paradise mascara to curl my upper and lower eyelashes. Now for lining my lips, I'm using this lip pencil from PAC. So I'll be only outlining my lips and not filling them. And as I forgot to apply an eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner from Sugar now. And here comes my final and favorite part, applying a lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick from Faces Canada. It's the Ultime Pro Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Natural Coco. So this lipstick is my new favorite, and without giving a single doubt to this lipstick, you can go ahead with this one. The shade is also perfect. You can try other shades as well. But one thing that I should say is it's really matte, but it's very much comfortable. So you can definitely go for this lipstick without giving it a second thought. And here is my final look, guys. I hope you liked it. If yes, as usual, you know what you have to do. Comment, share, subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you would love to see other eye looks from me. Till then, bye bye, take care.